My mom and dad spent everything they made. They made a decent salary, and they spent it all. They viewed their money as their own. Consequently, that's how I live my life. It's my money. I'm earning it, and it's mine. Then I see things in the Bible that say it all belongs to God. And I'm asking for 10%. And I'm thinking, no, 10%. And then I'm like, okay, I'll give 10% of what I get, which is net. And I do that for a while. And then he's like, no. It's all mine. I just keep hearing, it's all mine, and I want 10%, and it comes off the top. So I start doing that begrudgingly. Then I come here, and Crazy Campaign comes along. And I'm like, wait a minute. I'm not even okay with the tithing thing here. How am I going to do more? So then I sit down and try to figure out, okay, how much more can I eke out? And it was me deciding, not asking God, what do you want? It was a very, very disappointing experience for me because I was not committed to God. My heart was not in the right place. So I was not able, or was not even able to finish that commitment. If anything else came up that I needed that money for, then I used it. Here comes another campaign. Number one, Brian starts talking about a spiritual journey. And I'm like, yeah, right. This is not a spiritual journey. This is about money. And I immediately start saying to God, I can't give any more money. By that time, I'm consistently tithing, consistently. I'm consistently tithing. I'm giving my 10%. And I say to God, I don't have anything else I can give. Please don't ask me for any more money. And then I felt really comfortable, or felt a little better, because Brian said from the stage, it's a spiritual journey. It's about you and God and money and what he wants you to do with it. He said, God may not want any more from you. He might say, you're doing great. I appreciate what you're doing. I don't want you to give any more. You can just stay where you are. And I'm like, yes, yes, I'm off the hook. I can just stay where I am. God does not, I just knew that was right. God doesn't want any more from me. Yes, I don't have to give any more. But I keep coming every week, listening to the messages, and God just kept convicting me. He showed me, not huge things, but he showed me it all belongs to me. And I just want you to put it out there. I might not take any, but I want you to be willing to give it to me. And I was amazed to see that there were things that I could give up. I was really, really quite astounded by that. And I was amazed that there were things that he said, okay, you can keep those. You know, I don't want that. You may continue to do that. So it really was a spiritual journey. I had decided in my mind, if I give up these things that he's asked me to give up, this is how much I can give. This is how much I can give to Game Change. This is how much is going to be freed up if I give up the things that he's asked me to. So I had that amount in my mind. I heard God say a different number. And I'm like, oh, no, I can't do that. And he clearly said, I know you can't. And I said, okay, God, I'm writing this down in obedience to what you're saying to me, to what I think I hear you saying. It has to be from you, because I would never, I would not, that amount would not come to mind. So I'm writing this down. I'm pledging this, but you will have to do it, because I do not know where this money's coming from. And And it didn't happen right away. I was still just thinking, is this really going to happen? Is this really going to happen? Where is this money coming from? And slowly, an amount of money would come in. I'm like, yes, game change. So every time there's more coming in than what God has said I can spend for myself, it goes to game change. It goes to game change. It has flowed in. It has just flowed in. And God has done it, and He is awesome. To only have $146 left to pay from a 3-year commitment is just, every time I think about it, it just blows my mind. It really does. I mean, He has asked me to do this, and He has done it. He has provided for me to do this. And what I have given is what He has given to me.